Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 7, Subject Computer Science. Topic Creating Charts in MS Excel and page number 9. Dear students, we have already completed our theoretical portion and today we are going to cover the points which need practical demonstrations. Our today's topic is existing on page number 12, and that is to create a chart in MS Excel sheet. I have already entered the data in worksheet just to save the time. Now to create a chart, first of all we have to select the data. The step 1 is to select the data. Now click on Insert tab. There we have different kind of charts. The first chart we are going to experience is column chart. Click on it and there is a drop down menu. Select the first one, click, and this is the chart exactly same as given in your book. Second chart is line chart. For the line chart, click on the line chart icon. Select the first one and this is the line chart. Dear students, the third type of chart was pie chart. This is the pie chart icon. Click on it and select your desired pie chart figure 2D, and this is it. It is showing only the maths data series because pie chart only shows one data series at a time. The fourth one is bar chart. For the bar chart, we will again click on column chart, and here in the lower portion bar charts are given. Yes, because it is quite similar to the column chart. The next one is area chart. Area chart के लिए we will click on line chart and there is area chart. So this is how the area chart look according to the data entered. The last but not least is scatter chart. For that we will click on its icon and we will select the first icon. Yes, this is our desired scatter chart. So till now you have learned how to create a chart in MS Excel sheet. Our next topic is modify a chart. For modifying a chart means to drag the chart on the same sheet. This is sheet number 1. We are working on it and we can drag the chart according to our required location on the same sheet. Select the chart and drag it wherever you want to fix it. It is also possible to shift the chart on the other sheet. For this purpose, we can shift this chart on the other sheet as well. For the purpose, we will click on Design tab, and this is the tab that can give us this facility, Move Chart. Click on it and there is a dialog box that is asking for your chart details and the sheet where you want to shift it. So we have only one chart, so chart will remain 1, but we have options of 3 sheets. So let's select sheet number 2, then OK, and now our chart is on the sheet number 2. Let's check on sheet number 1. Yes, there is no chart. Our chart is successfully moved on sheet number 2. Now if you want to bring it back, go to the sheet number 2. Again click on Move Chart tab and in the dialog box select sheet number 1. OK. And our chart is back on sheet number 1. Now our next step is change the data included in the chart. First click on the chart to select it. Then click on Select Data button. Dear students, this is our data source dialog box. If we want to make any change in our chart, we have to make it through this box. For example, uh, yes, this is our chart. Let me change the chart type, and we are going back again on. So we can make changes through it. For example, we want to make some changes in the legend entries. So we have to use this area, and if you want to make any changes in horizontal category or axis labels, then we have to make some editing over here. For example, you don't want to see the Joseph's result, so click on it and OK. So see, Joseph is not there anymore. Now you want to bring him back, again select this tab. There is a dialog box, and now you want to add Joseph in again. Click, make OK. So Joseph is back. So all the changes that you want to make on the chart, you have to do it through the select data. Now there is an other option. We can switch the rows and columns. Click on it and see there is a changes in the chart. Now subjects are there on x-axis and marks are on the left side, and the names are in fact outside and represented through the legends. So all these things are in our own hand. We can bring it back, again clicking on the same tab. So it is here. There are many more operations that we can apply on this chart. For that, now we are going to label the chart. For that, you are supposed to select page layout, and for the labels and titles of the chart, we will click on add chart elements. Yes, there are axis titles, chart title. Let's start with the chart title. Chart title, we have 3 more options. If you don't want to give any chart title to your chart, make it none. But if you want to give it a chart title, so see where you want to give the title. Above chart or centered overlay. Centered overlay means your title will be in the chart area. Whereas if you would like to make it above, it will look like this. Select and give it a title. For example, marks sheet. We want to give it a title of marks sheet. Type over here. First select and give it a title of marks sheet. So this is the title we want to give to our chart. Now we will go again. Now it is the turn to give some titles to our axis. Primary horizontal. So this is, if we will select primary horizontal, yes, we have an option, and we will mention according to our desire. It can be students because the name of students are written, so nothing can be more suitable than that. Then again click on the same tab. Now you will go again axis titles, and now this time we will choose some title for the primary vertical. So select it, and here we can mention the marks or the percentage, whatever is written on y-axis. So this is how, dear students, we can modify our chart. We can make it like more impressive, comprehensive. There are so many tabs, so many designs, so many styles. That all depends how much work you do, how much practice you do. Because learning is although a fun, but practice makes more entertaining. Enjoy exploring new functions of computer and enhance your basic skills. Take care, stay safe.